Take Mavic Mini along on your next journey and let it be your personal camera crew. Use Dronie to capture yourself and your surroundings perfectly in frame. Take off and hover at least 2 meters above the ground before shooting. Open the DJI Fly app and select Dronie in Quick Shots. Set your desired flight distance, then select your subject by tapping or dragging a box around it on the screen. Tap Start, and Mavic Mini will automatically fly to the target area and start recording while flying backward and upward. To exit a quick shot during shooting, tap X on the right side of your screen, or short press the upper left button on the remote controller, and the aircraft will stop and hover in place. After shooting, the app will automatically generate a 15-second video. You can preview the video you just finished in the playback interface. You can also tap Edit at the bottom right of the screen to redo the edit. After you're finished with editing, don't forget to share the video with friends on social media.